something to just let you listen to what my house sounds like in the mornings. My jam.
Skip it.
This is mine. I use this in the mornings. YouTube. What are preposterous? Time to wake the others now and show them who the boss is. Call me Freddy, I'm a teddy with a temper. When I see a face like yours, I remember. Make to the night and I'm sure they'll give you tender. Then you could be part of Freddy. Bleh. He's got a major upgrade. So, ain't up late. Oh gosh. Mangle. Definitely Mangle. She has to be in my video. And she sounds like this. Quiet. At least I wish my whole house was like that. And besides this, I love this. I'm gonna poke his nose. Okay, guys? Beep. 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 Oh, I want Mangle to come up. This video is probably going to be 2 minutes long. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Because I don't care. In the damaged parts. The washer's going. All is silent. And guys, please do not laugh when I tell you this. Okay? There's me when I was 4. And if you've never seen me with my hair straightened really good, I'm in that corner, all the way over there at the end, like right there. We're gonna be halfway there, so I guess that's just a general story for all the girls and boys. Mangle. Now I hang from all the wires and I swing on to. Next video I'll make is reaction videos. See you guys later. Bye.